first of all.
Okay. Brother,
Allah, Aya.
Okay, first my cards. So this one is from, it says Auntie Sabia. Oh, such a cute card. Auntie, happy birthday. Wait, who's that? This is from
Aya.
Saima. Samina.
Aya, wait.
Samina. Is Samina?
Yes.
This is from Samina. Thank you, Samina. Beautiful card.
It's my turn.
Okay. So come on, come here. Open the gift with me. Okay. This is to Sabiha. Okay, you open it.
Aya, let them open it.
It's okay, you can open it. Let me just see. Oh, it's a beautiful card with a tree. Oh my God, it's some. Oh my God, John Lewis voucher. It's from Naseem.
Oh.
Thank you, Naseem. From Naseem, John Lewis voucher, and a beautiful card.
It's my turn.
Let's see. Okay. It's your turn. Okay, go and open it. You open it. Okay, I is opening one and I open another one to Auntie Sabia from Sana Ali. Oh, John, Sana as well. Oh wow, such a beautiful card. What is that? Oh, she gave a voucher card. Thank you, Sana John. You don't need to. Children don't need to give me that. Well, let me read Sana message. May Allah bless you with so many more years. May Allah shower you with all His blessing, happiness. Oh, John. Thank you, Sanali. Okay. And what? This is from Naseem. Happy birthday. Naseem की writing की मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है.
I'll read it.
Okay. Read it. Okay.
May Allah,
For the first time she called me friend. Usually she called me sister.
may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to bless you and keep you smiling.
Oh, love you, Naseem. Okay, Zaib auntie, just simple as always, says loads of love, Zaib. But I love Zaib card as well. Okay, I don't know. This is from Sana and this is from Zaib, I think, isn't it?
No,
Okay.
Naseem.
This is from Sana and this is from Naseem. Yeah.
Can you not ruin the card, please?
If you can give me the card, I just keep my cards. Okay. Wait, this one first. So this one is from. Let's see the card. Oh, the card सबके बहुत प्यारे हैं. The card is from.
No.
Nosheen and Husna.
Oh.
Nosheen कह रही थी कि मैंने तुम्हें juicy lips वाला lipstick दिया है.
Aya, Preda.
It's okay. Don't shout to her, Mari.
Oh, it looks good.
Okay. So what is that? Oh, Gucci perfume. Thank you, Nosheen Jan. Love you. No. She can mess around with me. Don't worry. Why, you got problem? Okay, and the special gift is.
Ah, this is so cute.
I put the flower which I. Okay, you open it. Okay, happy birthday. Yay! Who's that? That's Hannah. Okay, Hannah. Somebody read Hannah message, please.
Okay, she said,
Can I read it?
Auntie.
Wait. Oh my God. Wait.
This is Auntie Sabia. Have a fabulous day. Lots of love.
This is say happy birthday to you. That's Hannah. Always. She drew me something. Oh my God. And then look at that. Sumo, happy birthday. Love from Hannah and kisses and hearts. This is a special card.
leave.
She's perfect.
Okay.
Amaya, leave her alone,
let
Bobo.
me show you Hannah gift. Hannah's give me a real stone.
Wow.
The real stone. They're beautiful. Okay, take it. And Hannah, oh my God, look at that.
What is that?
So Hannah give me this. This is her own style. Her own. ये मेरी Hannah पोती का अपना style होता है. She just put her hairband. Thank you. her hairband.
She's always like, why are you so
And look her, okay? Oh my god.
that's cute.
Oh my god, look at that. So she give me
That is just so
this. She made it. She made it out of her toys. Oh my god. I feel cry.
Don't cry.
Like she used her own toys. No, what was it? Anyway, this is a lip balm, and
No,
this
that's
is
not lip balm.
this is her own toys, girls. She just literally made.
That's not lip balm.
It's yeah. It's million and million pounds.
Yeah, you want a book? Yeah, get in.
Okay, this is another one. So I don't know who's that.
There's a tag.
Okay.
Naila.
Oh, ये Naila, मेरी छोटी बहन. Okay, Naila ने ये दिया. I knew that. This is Naila for you. She knows what Baji likes. So it's Cardi, my favorite. Thank you, Naila Jan. And she's my stylish girl. It's so beautiful, Ted Baker. Ooh. Thank you, Naila. Basically, मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स ने मिलके ये
Hampers, eh?
hamper बनाया ये. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये हमारी तरफ से इसके बारे में कह रहे थे कि इसमें सरप्राइज है. क्या सरप्राइज है ये नहीं पता.
Okay.
सरप्राइज कहते कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, खतरनाक भी हो सकते हैं. So let's see, because मेरे फ्रेंड्स से
They all did a combined gift, okay?
Zeb aunty,
yeah, they all
no
did.
Naseem aunty.
Yeah. Zeb and them did a combined gift.
I think Zeb aunty, Asma,
Yeah.
Gulnaz,
Saima.
Shamshad, Saima. कोई गिफ्ट देते हैं ना तो मैं उसका रैपिंग पेपर सब कुछ संभालूंगी. सुमैया अभी से कह रही है मैं गिराऊंगी. मैंने कहा मैं संभालूंगी. चलो, उसकी बेटी ने फाड़ दिया, अब संभालने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, open it. This is your happy birthday. This is your happy birthday. अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो मेरे फेवरेट फरेरो रोशे. अगेन मेरे फेवरेट. मेरी फ्रेंड को पता है मैं क्या खाती हूँ. मेरे फेवरेट. ओके, ये मैं इतना नहीं खाती हूँ, लेकिन ये शायद मेरी फ्रेंड की पसंद है. They knows that I love these biscuits. They knows. Oh my God! Look at that flower. जिसने भी ये हैम्पर बनाया बड़े प्यार से बनाया.
It's real, isn't it, roses?
Yes. Okay. Love from Zaid, Shamshad, Gulnaz, Saima, Asma, Sadia, Nageen,
Nageen, Samina and Sakina.
and Sakina. Love you guys. This hamper is from all of you.
Yeah, but keep going.
These flowers are so beautiful. If my granddaughter leave me, can I? Okay. ये candle है? Oh, this is voucher again. I think it's a voucher.
Home Sense voucher.
Home Sense. Ooh.
Or TK Maxx, one of them.
They know that I like these shops. Anyway, so this is that. Wait. अच्छा, ये दूसरे चॉकलेट है. मेरे पसंद की कुकीज. मेरे पसंद के, इनको पता है कि मैं क्या पसंद करती हूँ. मेरे पसंद के क्रिप्स ये मैंने नहीं खाए पहले.
There you have Tyrolls. You always have. They're the lightly salted ones.
ये मैं, this one I can keep it. It's their name, Kanaka. It's their name.
It's for me.
This one is for you. Go. You win it.
Hey, I win it.
Yes, you win it. These flowers are beautiful.
You
Oh
smell?
my God. My God. So each flower resembles my each friend. Okay.
Okay, hurry up. Open the mama thingy, Mama.
Now I'm gonna open. It's a card. It says Sabiha.
Allah bless you with health and happiness. Ameen. Love you. Love from Shamshad, Sakina, Sadia, Nageen and Nabira.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. और ये क्या है? 6 August. Bed and breakfast and afternoon. What? Spa. Oh my God.
You and Papa.
Me and Papa.
On the 5th, in a couple of days.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. So basically इन्होंने book किया है
a getaway for you and Papa.
मेरे खान के लिए that's so sweet. Thank you, Mary Jano. Thank you so much.
Where is it? It's the Lamphy Court Hotel Spa and that stuff.
Pembroke. Oh my God, Shamshad, Zebu, Saima, Laz, Naila,
Sakina, Abira,
Sadia,
Nagina.
Abira, love you guys. It's amazing.
Say that again because Naila Pakinawa.
Oh.
No, it's okay. Naila nahi bhi thi to shamil kar diya maine. And card is so beautiful. Thank you girls. Thank you so much. This is my husband one. This is from Mr. Khan. From Papa.
Yeah.
Papa, give me this. This is a diamond.
Diamond pendant.
This is Papa's. Wait, okay? Wait. And this is Papa's as well. This one, so it's double ring. A diamond, white gold double ring, and yeah, and this one as well.
Oh my God.
Okay, so this one is from Papa, the diamond ring.
Did Siddiq give you his gift?
No, tomorrow.
Oh, do you know what it is?
No.
Okay.
This is from Papa as well. I don't know the size.
Oh,
wait.
gorgeous.
Wait, is this a load?
गिफ्ट पोस्ट में है, आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी जैसे ही मिल जाएगा। और अभी मैं बच्चों की गिफ्ट दिखाती हूँ। शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और ये मेरी तीनों बेटियों की तरफ से है। From my 3 daughters come all the way from France. मलीहा गई थी मोनाको। मलीहा गई थी मोनाको और मेरी पसंद से लिया है, लेकिन सरप्राइज भी था और पसंद भी थी, लेकिन फर्स्ट मैं कार्ड खोलूंगी। Oh my God!
Amma, the card I think you should do in the end because there's a lot of messages from everyone.
God. Okay, the card will be in the end. Okay, ये मेरी 3 बच्चों का, मेरी जान, मेरी लाइफ, मेरी तीनों बेटियां। Wow. Wow.
Celine.
मेरे भाई का नाम सलीम है, मैंने कहा सलीम बैग है। सलीम बैग। It's so cute. Forget about money, but it's all इनका लव है इसमें। यानी कि बस ये सारा लव है इसमें। मैंने कहा प्राइस ना बताने इनका, ऐसे ना हो कि प्राइस बताओगे तो तुम लोगों को जूते पड़ जाएंगे।
It's just the envelope. It's just the envelope.
It's okay.
It's just the envelope.
Okay,
It's okay. It's okay.
You're okay. Enjoy.
Girls,
Yeah.
ये देखिए ये मेरा बैग है।
It's
सलीम
okay.
बैग।
I give this to Sumo.
Okay, I give this to you. एक गिफ्ट मेरा डेवन भी है, मुझे और पापा को तीनों बहनें लेके जा रही हैं।
Go and give that to Sumo.
One clip. Oh my!
You need to open all the wrappers because it's quite cool. They open the chocolate as well.
No, why? The bag was enough, Kana.
Because we love you.
The love मतलब खुदा नहीं करना चाहिए, दो ना too much. Oh my God!
Oh my God. How can I zoom in? I can't even.
That's too much, Mali.
Mama, it's from 3 of us.
It's from 3.
I know. That was enough.
No, nothing Sumo wants to do too.
So beautiful, Nafi, Mali, Sumo. It's so beautiful. मैं अब तुम लोगों के सामने नहीं रोऊंगी, बाद में ना ताजत पढ़ के
Do you
रोऊंगी।
want to eat the chocolate? They have chocolate.
I'm not gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on in my own time. Thank you so much.
No chocolate. I'm sure for bucks.
Chocolate with my grandchildren. Come on. Oh my God.
Yeah, come here. Have chocolate.
Yeah, look the. Wow. Wow. हर न्यू एडिशन जब होता है ना मेरे हाथ में मेरे बच्चों की वजह से होता है। अल्लाह ताला ऐसे बच्चे हर किसी को दे, हर किसी को दे। आमीन सुबह आमीन। And this is my chocolate. Come on, Aya.
Aya, chocolate.
Come on, Aya. Wow.
Aya, chocolate.
Ooh.
That's some red chocolate there. Red chocolate.
Eat it. It's your birthday, girl.
No, I'm gonna eat it with my grandchildren. Come on.
Oh, Mobucha. I love you. I love you.
Oh, I'm gonna keep even this. उसके दिल चाहते हैं मुझे काटे, मुझे ये वन फ्लिप और ये हर किस्म के लेके दे. No words. No words.
Okay, so should we end this
I
vlog?
love you, Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Give my children, my friends, the best life here and the best in the hereafter. Give them loads of confidence, Ya Allah. Ameen, 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 ameen. ब्लॉग ख़त्म। मैं चीज़ें संभाल रही हूँ, मैं नफल पढ़ रही हूँ, दुआ कर रही हूँ। प्लीज़ आप भी सब चीज़ें देख के माशाल्लाह कहना और कहना अल्लाह ताला मामा की ये सारी खुशियाँ नसीब करे और अल्लाह ताला मामा की फ्रेंड्स को और मामा की फैमिली को, मामा के बच्चों को लंबी उम्र दे। प्लीज़ प्लीज़ कमेंट में इनको बहुत सारी दुआ देना। लव यू ऑल। और मेरी दुआ है अल्लाह आपको इससे भी अच्छी ज़िंदगी दे। आमीन सुबह आमीन। लव यू।
Come on. This,
Come on.
It's from Dina. Her present from Dina.
From both of us.
It look like cookies.
There's cookies. There's cookies, Mom.
You don't need any more.
Let me read. I love cards. I love cookies. Dina.
Oh, the lemon ones.
I love cookies. Oh, it's a card. It's a card.
oh.
Read it.
My face when I realized how old you are. Yeah, cause someday my face was like that. I'm 57. Okay, lots of love. Siddiq, Dina, Hannah,
No, read the
and
first
Nisha.
page, Mama.
Okay, happy birthday from your best son. Somebody will kill you. That's it. This is from you guys. And favorite daughter-in-law. This is true.
I said joke.
No, this is true. She's my favorite daughter. Okay, I can't wait. I can't wait. Sumaya, I can't wait. She opened all my gifts. Look at her, and then now she's gonna say, I win it, I win it. What? Oh my God, it's too many, Sidi. Nah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Nah.
No.
That's too much. No.
Yeah. No. There's a brick. There's a brick inside.
Oh my God. Mark book.
There's a brick inside.
What? Siddiq, no. That's too much.
You need it. You're TikTok.
Yeah, but this lady. So, Siddiq, this you always.
Oh, you
do
got a
it.
cover with it too.
Oh my God.
That's so nice.
Thank you. Give me her.
This was thinking on.
Mola give you million. May Allah give barakah in your.
So now I gotta get onions for Dad.
May Allah make both of you millionaires. I'll give you long happy life.
You know, Sid was trying to go for a Hoover, yeah?
I used about 8 years.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. Love you.
It's very powerful, this one, okay?
Oh.
अभी मैं अपना नया लैपटॉप MacBook सिद्धू के साथ सेटअप कर रही हूँ। माई सिद्धू गिव मी गिफ्ट मुझे सिद्धू ने मुझे दिया है। सब इसके लिए बहुत दुआ करना, मेरा मस्कीन सा नाइस सा बेटा।
Oh, very miskin.
ये बहुत मस्कीन है।
Come on, let's set it up then.
Come
on, open it.
बच्चे ने केस भी लेके दिया है कि मेरी माँ तो हर चीज का लुक आफ्टर करती है, तो केस भी दिया। या अल्लाह इसको दीन और दुनिया की खुशियाँ देना। आमीन 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 या रब्बल आलमीन।